Second. So we have Michael, and she has come all the way from Kuala Lumpur. And she will be presenting on accelerate generative-powered application development with Vertex AI Agent Builder. Lai is a research enthusiast, particularly on computer vision, 3D computer modeling, and artificial intelligence. Outside of R&D, she loves socializing and getting acquainted with technology trends. She is a Women Techmakers ambassador for Kuala Lumpur community and have inspired a lot of women in tech and continues to bring diversity to stages. So, welcome live. Thank you. It's my very first time visiting Melbourne, Australia. And to see the kangaroo and the AI. Thanks for the session. So for today, I will be sharing on this Gen AI powered application development with Vertex AI Agent Builder. Before we start, anyone has tried AI Agent Builder before? So, for those that are joining, maybe is already know what I will talking about, but let's share some questions or ideas to share about. Next, start. So this is what we'll be sharing, learn about. So I'm going to go quickly on different things. Maybe you're a new professional or anyone who is very new to the AI and world, maybe something very brief about LM so the evolution on LM. Then we go through the of today on AI agent and AI agent builders. So quickly towards the demo. I couldn't do the live session today, but I already have the screenshot work it's going to show you one of the things in the local session. Of course, because we were up for this already. So very busy pieces of me. I'm working as a senior AI engineer in Kuala Lumpur. Also a GPD in AI now and also VCT cloud combination. Also in a team in Women Techmakers Kuala Lumpur. So these are the things that we have done. Supporting different events that I was saying about. For this year, it's a bit active in AI world. We have a lot of Gemini and demonstration and cool strengths of artificial, and also doing some mentoring session for some hackathon events and that. So let's go to the introduction. LM generative AI is a buzzword, but it's not something that just suddenly happens, right? It has gone through a long way, a long journey. We really started from Google. It started a lot of research back then, like 2015. And who knows why Gen AI get popular and what is the architecture behind it that make it so popular. The very base. LLMs. LM is the large language model, but what is the architecture? Transformer, yes. Absolutely correct. So in 2017, Google has introduced this transformer architecture, and that's where it's actually started. But back then, things are not that popular because of different sharing of data and the particular power and all these things. Then suddenly it grows, right? 2022, 2021, the ChatGPT get very, very famous. The ChatGPT, the T behind is actually a transformer. It's a component. Fun fact for you all. So then it's different competitors also doing a lot of research on behavior. That's why the LM large language model is actually from a language model, but the size is also big with a pretty huge amount of data. That large language model. So that's the short form for LM. So in 2024 this year, the latest model from Google is Yeah. So we have four different models in the Gemini model families. Ultra, Pro, Flash, and Nano. The Ultra is the largest one, the most accurate, yet it's the most expensive. Normally, we will not use it for public industry. The one that we will use is for 1.5 liters. So this is a very good model that is doing a lot of neural tasks and all. But if you are doing some simple use cases, you can actually go for the Flash model. It's somewhat already very. In fact, the latest one is actually already good enough for you to prep the general basic use cases. A lot of use cases actually. And it's the advantage is that it is much cheaper than Pro version. So if you are trying on Gemini model, you are looking on Pro version. If you have tried on the Flash, you will surprise it's already able to do something that you are wanting for. And it's so much. I think it's 4 or 5 times cheaper than Pro version. So it's something that you want to try. The Nano is something that is not so much in the attention, but it's actually the smallest model used for on-device machine learning. You are trying on Raspberry Pi, all these things, but the small device that is the model that you can try on. It's a flying LM on Raspberry Pi. Surprise, right? Yeah, so things are evolved very quickly in this network. Now, let's doing a brief introduction on the landscape and the evolution model and all. Here is a little brief of introduction. Since in the old days or early days, when we had the language model or even the large language model, we are just embedding it in the grade, then we directly call it music, right? There's something very similar. Remember the day that you get vaccinated, checking with the OpenAI GPT model, right? You are just try to ask question and get answer from the models. But what happens on this? You get a lot of funny results at the same time, right? You get unrealistic answer, the hallucination happens and all. And what is the second big problem that people already notice straight away? It is only able to answer certain questions. The latest question that means data is not in the training data, you will not be able to answer. It will see a short cross and I only can answer data based on the data in year 2021, right? What happens now? We can't answer what is the latest model or what's the latest movie. It's not in their training model and you cannot answer. Then how are we going to do? Are we going to keep on retraining the model using all the data every day? It doesn't make sense, right? Retraining our computing power and that equal costing, but it's not feasible. So let's come to this RAG. I think everyone has heard this before, the retrieval augmented generation. RAG system concept comes because of this limitation. I want it to be able to answer my private data, my company data, but I don't want to give it to you to train my model. I want to be sensitive and confidential, right? Yet I want you to be able to answer the question that don't according to my private data. How can we do that? If I keep on updating my data set and all, I want the latest answer. How can we do that? So this comes to the concept of rank. So what is happening here is instead of reading to the model, we have a vector database, and we any database database or easy configure. But vector database is its own advantage, right? So you link to your personal private data, yeah, then when you ask the question, you link to the models, and you also link to your data place to retrieve the answer based on the external data here provided. So this is the concept of RAG, and it's actually the basic if you want to develop any free LM application, unless you just want it to be answer very quickly, but towards your company information and all. Then as it goes into this direction, it comes to another issue, or not really a big issue, but then like how can we evolve it better to scale it up? Right. Okay, now it's working better. I like it, but how can I put it into production? Yeah, it's very easy. And here it comes to the reasoning and projection. We work on audit requirement and projection methods. For two sets is something like I want to build a very powerful application in my website. I have my searching mechanism. I can also do recommendation and all. These are all interact with the LM. But then the LM needs to be smart enough to run the operation to different sets. Or maybe a different API. Or if you let's say you are building a travel agency website, right? I want it if I'm from Malaysia, from Kuala Lumpur, I have to do the currency exchange by 100 tour, right? So this currency exchange maybe is actually everything. There's no such fixed table for lookup table for you to do the conversion, right? So it has to, let's say if I ask something on this, your application links to the LM, and when it knows something on currency exchange, then you will link to the external currency exchange API. It's always up to date and all, right? So these are the concept of how things that you work on the LM applications. Now, so it comes to the picture of AI agent from the just LM model, we add into RAG, and then from RAG we walk to AI agent. What is the AI agent? An AI agent is a deployed application that uses the LM model for reasoning and orchestration with the external tools to achieve different goals. The example that I give you is like the currency exchange, but of course you can deal with different variables. Maybe you want to deal with call with radar API, the traffic API, all those things, right? Now, let's take a look on the components. For model and Google, we the example of Gemini model. Of course, you can use other LLM model as well. For tooling is function calling. Function call is actually to see what are the defined function. Let's say if I want to convert currency, then you link to the APIs. So you just like a router function. What is the action that you want it to do? The reasoning can do like the most popular one is the LangChain framework. And of course, in the deployment, I wouldn't be going into details on all these components, but the first focus here today is more on AI agent builder, and it looks very complicated and very hard, right? If you let's say all these different how can I make sure everything's well scaled, scale, right? So today, since you are joining this section, you will see how easy we can do it directly with this AI agent. You'll really surprised. But of course, once you have done that, you need to know what is actually running behind what it's doing, right? So this AI agent builder is a low code environment that simplifies the process of building AI agents. So because maybe I'm not an expert in AI, I'm not good in coding and all of different components, different tools and frameworks to learn the LangChain and all those things. It's too much, right? Maybe it's just a very small start, but I want to empower or leverage the power of AI or LLM generative AI into my own website. How can I do that? Now let's take a look quickly on the AI agent builder. There are three parts. That's how we mentioned, right? Orchestration, tools, and grounding. So for today's session, we will look specifically into Vertex AI search, which is generally available. For others, it is public preview, means it is available, but you need to additional sign up form or agreement to get the early access. So since this one is already generally available, I will take this as an example. But of course, for other tool set like Vertex AI Agent, it will be very similar concept of local code that you can apply to later. The tools will not be really that important. It's more like a backend and behind. You will see it exactly from what you are doing. So for ground, anyone have a question what is grounding about? When we say the model answer wrongly, right? Trying to answer if they have hallucinated answers. Then we want it to give more accurate answer. We try to ground it. And please answer my question based on this data. And if you do not find it, say that no data, no information available. Do not make any answer by your own, right? So you want to, it's very, very difficult. You need to keep on writing the answer every time you listen. I actually I do not use it, right? So I don't know which one is correct and which one is wrong. But we have to have a very safeguard on the answer that is producing. So we call it a grounding. So if grounding tool, like the Vertex AI search ground the searching based on the data some of data provided, right? So when we do RAG, more often we want to do a like grounding mechanism, right? Before we go to the any question so far, very easy, right? Later you all can do it, be like an expert, right? Because it's a no code environment, this will be very frustrating very quickly. No, this is the summary of it. Just having a bit of check. Come here and the spices.
I identify
Yeah, I think it's like. Look at the.
Yeah.
One month. We should do that. And we have no one.
Okay. So we are back. Let me have your attention again.
Breaths.
Ah.
That's my growth.
I was just going fast. So let's take a look. So from the so let's take a look. From all products, we need to go through this section. It's under artificial intelligence. Yeah. So in here is the interface for AI Agent Builder. What we do is just a few steps. Create app. So here there are actually a few options available. First one is the the search, and then there are recommendation and all. So there's search, check, recommendation, and agent. So agent is still under preview, but if you click on it, it will ask you to it will say maybe your account's not enable it, you need to contact the register to get the preview access and status. But nonetheless, we will try on the search, but of course you can click on the button check and recommendation at your free handles. First on select. So you see here we are not doing any puts directly. It's already in a very nice really interface. Next is already into after you select what type of application you want to build. First one we will try the Vertex AI search. In the search app configurations. So let's go down. You can choose like you want to see what kind of content. The generic one is like your website like that. If you are want to stay with images, media file, and take the media. Of course, I have other format like the healthcare healthcare file format is a different format. So you just edit everything's by default, and then you just need to put in the application name. Define your company name, or just the same things. Click continue. Here you already need to define what the data source you want to put it on. So you can just create data store. Here you can see there are different data source that is already supported. Whereas if you have your own company website, you know, just pick the web content. If you have other data space or data source in Google Cloud, specific query and all the like so link it to page. So you can like Google Drive and others. So let's say we for one will take the Google Cloud website. Anyone it's only website want to try on. I forgot the so remember when you click the URL, just ignore the need to put the HTTPS. So you will directly contain it inside. I'm not sure really. Maybe I don't. So for this, we can just rename anything. Your applications. So it's very simple. So in here, after you define 3-4 columns, right? Now you already see, within seconds, it's already creating this. So it's already created, but what is inside? Let's see. So now you see it's already directly generated this, right? So I want to get a feel what is inside. I'm not sure this will work because I forgot the URL. So you can take a look on the preview, but in the slide, which after you sync, you have all these screenshots. So because I put in the cloud URL, right? Let's say if I want to search on AI agent builder. It's right there. Sometimes, yeah, it says you need to wait for like few minutes for it to synchronize with the side side. So that's the 5 minutes. Before that, anyone has any question? So you can, yes.
Is Agent Builder available for code as well? Like, or
Yeah, if you don't like, if you are programmer, you don't like this like tool, shit, right? You want like, API is available.
okay, so it can be replicable with the same code.
This is on console method, but there's it's internally it's actually called the input. So you need to use like the people copy. Actually, maybe my URL is not the correct one, but you can see like within a few minutes, it already can sync to your the URL that you provided, and you can already do the search engine there. So you can already integrate to your application or the application. Like imagine you have a company website, you have a lot of your internal matrix documentation and all right. You can already link your URL to it and link to your application. It's a very easy, simple way of doing the search engine. This is just a direct URL. But of course, in the beginning, if I just set up the I choose the media. Maybe you are building a commercial website. On a website, right? You have a lot of all these different let's say the Google online store, the goodies, the tab, and all the portals. You can link it, then you can actually do a very quick search on this one. So it's a very easy and quick way to implement the whole Gen AI power search engine solution. It's just within, well, first depends on how big is your data sources. The larger it is, the longer time it processing. But that's like a long timer for you. Because everything that the synchronization is very small the time that you need to report. And that's it. I'm very sorry about the slide. They issue, but this is the slide I want to show you the slide also. So yeah, when I share the slide to the organizer, you are already can take a look on this one. A stick review. In my side, actually, the very easy one is something where you find you can try on if you have the Google console account or if you have the CrowdStrike account. You can try the implemented chat and also the reputation. Just seems through like a few things that you need to define, and that's it. The backend is already all well integrated and handled for you. The rack, all these things, and it's already all managed. So it's very simple that way. This agent builder is also very simple. Yeah, okay, sorry, time's up. So I hope you enjoyed the live demo session also in the slide. And unless you still get this later. So to wrap up, any other questions?
You have 3 less signs for questions because we have almost that time. One question, please. Well, actually, thank you so much, Leong. We did a demo
created something out of blue. Like this was good. This was really good. It shows that it's really, really nice and yeah, it's really good. So thank you so much.